Hi, I'm Dr. Raj Kirit from Celesti Skin Laser and Hair Clinic, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. A lot of patients and especially their parents are very concerned when they're saying, we want to go for transplant but we are scared about getting a brain damage or anything damage to our brain or scalp or skull. Well, it is very important for us to understand that this is a very safe method. And how is it safe and what are the precautionary measures that we take so that we are not damaging the underlying structures or the brain. See, you have to understand the hairs don't grow deeper into the skin. They grow a little bit up to 4 mm depth, that is less than half centimeter. So when we go until the 4 mm of depth and then we extract the hair, it just comes out easily. So the most important thing what we should understand that the hair is lying in the skin part. Now after the skin you have a fat. That fat component is called as subcutaneous fat. And that is all yellowish globules what we have. It cushions the skin onto the scalp or the scalp bone or the skull bone. So now we don't go until that deep. Now after the layer of the subcutaneous fat, there are certain sheets, blood vessels, and after that you will have some muscles, and after that you will see certain amount of sheets, protective sheets of the scalp bone, that is called as galea aponeurotica and other layers. Now after that there is a skull bone. The skull bone is very thick. If you understand, even a small injury doesn't hurt your brain, but definitely it is protected with your skull bone. So this skull bone, beneath that there are 2 layers, and after that there is the brain. So it's a long way to travel for any kind of procedure done on the hairs. So these procedures, what happens, we have other safeguards also, like we have a punch which we drive into the skin. So once we drive into the skin, we have safeguards. So that makes sure that it doesn't go beyond a depth of 3 mm or 4 mm. So once we go just up to the 3 mm or the 4 mm, the hair easily is plucked out. So this hair transplant is absolutely safe and it doesn't damage your brain. It's not going to happen that way. So it's a very common apprehension about the elders, especially because they think that the scalp is being disturbed, the scalp, and of course the brain is going to be disturbed. Nothing like that. We use the follicular unit extraction where we extract each and every individual hairs, and we are not using blades or hammers or anything to damage a skull or scalp bone. So the damage is not going to happen. It's a very safe procedure. For any other details to clarify all the myths about, you can visit us. We are in Celesti Skin Laser and Hair Clinic, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. See you. Bye-bye.
बंदासन धीरे से अपनी बॉडी को आगे लेके आइए. ट्राई टू कीप योर फोरहेड डाउन.